Hi guys, it's Tyler Shoni William, and we'll unboxing this Happy Cat. This.
What? You break the bunk.
Oh.
So how, boy?
What
How?
are you doing?
What?
Oh no!
So many.
It's just that. No,
Wait,
it's not so many.
I think I see something. A gray cat. I think I see a gray cat.
It's good cat.
I think there's a
Oh!
Kumi, bro. There's
And a fishy.
in a fish.
And this is the house.
There's a kumi.
I don't know why there's dog food.
Let me see.
Oh, dog food and cat food.
Oh,
Cat food and dog food. I want to see what's inside. There's nothing.
nothing. Oh,
I'm just gonna put the fish.
fishes. Oh, there's nothing.
You just stop.
Oh, I don't still the plastic.
Wait.
Kuma.
Let me check. Wait.
Oh,
We need to collect.
all. But let's find all of the box. But I already saw them all.
What was that?
I don't know.
No.
Let's go. Okay.
No, just no. This is the cat house.
You need to collect all.
Clack, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, clack, click. No. Look at this.
That's
Ow!
me. No, my cat.
Look at this.
My cat is Kumi, my cat. Kumi, my cat. It's Kumi, my cat.
His eyes is gray.
Wait, I can.
Wait.
Wait.
You can just remove. You can just remove the rope.
Big house. Let's collect all of them.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.